So here we have two of the fellas. Have a look at breeze coming through. How's the exposure? So Nartel, what do you think about this whole film project?
I think it's a good idea, you know.
Explain a little bit more.
A little bit more. You know, most times, you know, when you graduate from school, you just come home and just sit down just like that, you know. You need something to do other than school again. You know what I'm talking about?
So what kind of scripts you're gonna write? Dwayne?
Talking about me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to go more back to the cultural script, you know?
For example?
I want to make some movies and Jamaican life. And honestly, I really don't want no violence. I'm talking about typical Jamaican youth life, you know what I'm saying? And look romance, and look, you know what I'm saying?
I got you. How are you guys gonna plan to fund your films?
Sponsors.
Sponsors like?
Yeah, we have other prospects. You know? I wish we remain animals for now.
Okay. I hear you're a big time DJ. You know, this film is titled In the Shadows because it's in the shadows of the world. We're trying to build a little film school here. That's why I titled it In the Shadows, you know? The third world countries are not seen as any kind of entertainment, you know, participants as far as films are concerned. Not music, of course. Reggae is here. But I hear you do a little singing, and you have a DJ name. What's that?
I'm calling the name of Kingpin.
Uh-huh. Can you give us a little piece of reggae?
Want a piece of reggae?
Yeah.
Alright, I want to go back to a more cultural aspect of my music right now, because that's not really me. But I'm going to do this. Ready?
I'm ready.
It's like jam down, yes, I'm the best place under the sun. Mr. B.I.T. I'm the softest, she bring me fun. From this island, we now go run to the USA. Now read them just jam down. Yes, I'm the best place under the sun. Mr. B.I.T. I'm the softest, she bring me fun. From this island, we now go run to the USA. Nartel, nothing not gonna make me left where me come from. Cause this is Jamaica, my birthland. Them can't get me to leave, no matter what them plan. Yeah, we are gonna steal all the dollars, no song, but still we can eat it all the yaki and the yam. Fish at the festival, we now start yam, we can go to the beach and play in the sun. Cause we're not gonna let Jamaica, I think people want. No Jamaica have dance like this, but I'm trying. I'm the great back man, little things and do song. We're not going to ring just saying that white man. Yeah, we gonna see, you know? It's like that.
All right. Nartel, I hear you do a little singing yourself. I'm on high exposure here, trying to get your dark faces because you're not white. Can you sing me a song, please, Nartel?
Yeah, I'll try.
Go ahead. Sing me.
We are at war. We are at war. Yeah. I am on a battlefield with a destiny shield. Who can hear them must have to feel. On a battlefield with a destiny shield. Why need tell the youth them fi take heed? Battlefield with a destiny shield. Who can hear them must have to feel. On a battlefield, destiny shield. Why me tell the youth them fi take heed?
Now, I hear you had another song, something put on the guns or something like that. You know, guns are not the fault, something like that. I heard it. So hit that one.
Put off the Glocks and the snipers, M69 millimeters away. Throw them away. Second verse. All the nines and the Glocks, the money back it up. Try to get the boys on the before they lock you up. Be smart, be wise, and open your eyes. Not the guns, they're gonna criticize. The nines, the Glocks, take it out your socks. M16 pump rifles, show it down, read our Bible. AK 47 and 45, throw down and you stay alive. Grenade, the sniper, homemade revolver, pistol, magazines. M16 Desert Eagle, shotgun, SLR, Magnum can wipe out the whole scheme. A skill on Mach 11, just killed 27. Uzi is busy, right through the city. Gatling missiles, you better open your eyes. It's time for guns to minimize all the Glocks and the snipers.
No doubt. So is this the kind of cultural content you're going to bring to the world?
That's what we want.
Now who's clapping there? I got a fan. You got a fan?
You want somebody up here?
You got a fan? Can you come over here, the fan? Where's the fan? All right, so sit down with them. We're opening up a film school, and we're going to interview some Jamaican people. Sit one on the left, one on the right. Okay, this is the film school, no budget film in Jamaica. I'm Randy Pattinger. We're going to talk to some school. All right, so tell me about yourself. One to the right. What's your name, please? What school do you attend? Okay, and the other lady? What do you think about the film school we're trying to launch here? What role will you play in the whole filmmaking process here?
The role I play in the whole filmmaking process?
Yes.
As an individual, I think you'll be like helping the less experienced to be more, what should I say? What's the word doing? To be more professional.
Mm-hmm.
So not be afraid of the camera because it will do you no harm.
Okay, so cameras don't bite.
No, they don't.
Okay, and what role will you play in the filmmaking process? The other lady, please. What's your name again? I can't hear you. Your camera's biting you. You're not opening your mouth. How would you create films in Jamaica to change Jamaica? Guess I got you on the spot there. Well, sing us another song, Nartel. While she's at, sing us a love song, Nartel. Nartel happens to be a... You know that song you wrote recently? Sing a love song that you're going to sing on stage for one of your films. Something
about... I don't remember the starting. Oh, I remember that. She's always crying out for more. Behind closed doors, she knows that I need her. And I still love her more and more. Ooh, yes. Reflections of love, reflections of life. Windows open, sun shining through. Reflections of love, reflections of life. Windows open, sunshine.
I see a smile over there. I think your song is going to be a #1. Any other singers in here?
They're beyond.
We're going to zoom in on her.
That's not true. That's not true.
Do you do any poetry?
Yeah, I do poetry, but they're not any good. I do DJ.
Okay, so give us a little piece. Don't be shy. Cameras don't bite.
Oh, that's true, that's true. I've been not fix you. You don't even work to be miss you. Come on, I bought Debbie, then flop your round up applause and they give me a big clap. Me understand why you say me flop. Check after me never give back no chat. Yo, him cannot talk him up. One side inside the belly catch out that here now. I want a man that can carry me to movies. Pop for me when me.
Whoa. Cameras don't bite, but you definitely do on the mic. Now, who's this other? We got some more actors on for the show.
Flowers.
All right. So let's have a panel discussion here. What really happened after college? How does it work? The school here in Jamaica.
You have the primary, secondary, tertiary levels.
Explain that a little.
Okay, primary begins from first grade to 6th grade. At 6th grade, you do the GSAT exam in which you advance to a high school, which is the secondary level. At high school, it's from first form to 5th form. When you're at 5th form level, you do CXCs, GCEs, SSCs, etc. With grades like 1, 2, or 3, you may advance to a 2-year program, which will be 6th form level. You go to 6th form, you do your CAPE subjects with good grades, you'll advance to a university, which will be the tertiary level. From there, I guess you get your master's, whatever, you move on to another level, which is a working level.
Career goals. Tell me about some of your goals. The one that's not talking. Career goals, please. The whole world is watching you. No need to be shy. It's about 2 million or so. No career goals? The camera's biting her. Nartel, give me some career goals.
Well, I can't choose right now, I'm a lot. But mostly it's music.
Okay.
I like to be a big artist, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
And Dwayne?
Honestly, politics and entrepreneurship.
We have a no-budget film here. Who would happen to be speaking on the no-budget film? All right, more career goals.
Oh, it's my turn. I had so many to choose from. I'd like to become a playwright, an actress, a director, or even a news anchor woman.
Wow, that's yeah. What would Jamaican children say to the world right now? What do you guys need most?
More technology. More up-to-date technology.
For example?
Alright, honestly, even with the film school, we need more, you know, Michael?
Alright, we're gonna do our first little drama right here, right now. We're gonna take two, there's gonna be a girl and a boy. Okay, do a little drama real time right here, right now. Alright, we're gonna get Nartel and this other lady at the...
And the cameraman.
Not now, you're gonna be on film. You're gonna do a little dialogue for the film school. We're gonna cut, we're gonna come back with the show.
Come to baby, I'm the
Not much I want to see you. What you up to?
Oh, didn't I think we are wasted and can't even see you, know?
But it's like this, you know. I'm glad to I think about me, you know.
Yeah.
Because it's like, remember that time up in the hills? Blue Mountain Lodge.
Right, and now again, what you say?
You know, it's like, me know so have fun up there and all, but come like, we have too much fun.
You have too much fun, I enjoy everything, baby.
Listen to my man, let me talk. We had too much fun because...
Your father stop it?
No, hold on now. We had too much fun because... Right now, I'm pregnant, you know. Nobody the foolishness, man. I'm pregnant.
What the fuck? Yo, yeah, man. Yo.
Listen, I'm pregnant and you always ask me if you're a baby, you know me pregnant, you know. What me going to
so what no baby mean when you tell me no want baby? We have 2 weeks for you right now.
I don't know what things just happen.
Things happen.
But anyways, listen to me, man.
One man again.
Listen to me.
Listen.
You get me pregnant. No, how am I going to tell that? How am I going to tell mom?
Picnic can't hold man again. Tell him what the man to breathe on me. Hello.
Go on.
Yeah, you just want a little thing you have to come out still. Still, that's it. That's a get you understand. But you want some fun, some business, some protection to you.
I don't want to know what that all about.
Mommy, you don't have to know that, mommy.
Really
just give me, know yourself. Me see money already. Don't go like see it all.
I don't have any money and I really want to know what you're going to do with money.
Me see the money in your purse or in a room, mommy.
But I want to know what you're going to do with the money.
My business.
I really want to know what you're going to do with the money.
You don't have to know about that, mommy. Just give me money. You hear about the accident down the road, mommy?
Really, but I really want to know what
you hear about the boy around?
I want to know what you're going to do with the money.
Now go buy some new shoes.
How much money is that cost?
7 grand. 8 grand. 9 grand,
I don't
mommy.
have so much money. I just don't have so much money.
Mommy, you're too cheap, you know. You don't take care. Look for
I
good.
don't have
Look at
so much
everything
money.
that's come out.
I don't have so much money. And that seems like you're telling me a lie.
Everything alright, mommy.
Hey, mommy.
What's going on?
I want to talk to you. You know, I've been doing also well in school, right? And there's just a little problem. You remember Trevor from school?
What?
Well, just the other day, Trevor asked me I was on a date and I so went with him because I like him, mommy. When we
He
went,
seems to be a nice person.
yes, he is, mommy. While we went out, something happened between us.
What is that?
Mommy, we did something that adults should be doing, mommy. And I'm not proud of it. Because it's been like a month now and I think I'm pregnant.
What?
Yes, mommy, I'm pregnant. And I want to know what I should do about this because I'm in my final year and I need to go to university and I need your advice, mommy.
I need to think about that because I can't deal with that right now. Because I'm so upset. I don't know what to tell her to do now.
But mommy, we have to act fast. It's either I carry it or I don't carry it.
Listen to me. You never really think about condom or something else?
Mommy, we use it, but I don't know what happened. Mommy, what should I do?
I can't deal with that now. I need to think. I just don't know what to do. I know you're an adult, but I just can't deal with that now. I got to think. This is terrible. In a time like this?
Mommy, I'm pregnant and I'm sorry. But
No, I'm sorry, but I cannot deal with this now. I have to think about what I'm going to let you do. It's so sudden I can't deal with it now. I have to think about that. Can't you, I don't know, why didn't you use protection or something?
Mommy, like I said, we used it.
And
But it must have burst or something, mommy. I really don't know what happened.
Well, you think about AIDS or something?
Mommy, I think we need to talk to Trevor.
I
The
am
three of
nervous.
us need to talk, mommy.
I am nervous. I am nervous because I don't know what's happening. I don't know what to say.
Yeah, you didn't need to start. You let the girl tell her to start. You know the right to the girl can come give me a school. That's cool, man. Freedom, man. Come here, you man. It's cool, baby. Yeah, I'm going to take care of them. Because I'm going to bring that. Bring that over. Listen, yeah?
What go on with thugs?
Yeah, fire, what
Now tell me to say I want to school.
You don't think it's an artistic thing, you don't shut up thing.
Artist thing.
Shut up thing, you know. I'm going to make my head in school and teaching and
You got the lowest man at school.
bad man see you, man.
Yeah, bad man now. You don't hear about the little mystery thing there. What one girl, man?
No, if I see a thing when the girl come car out and say, hey, hey,
Which girl?
you know, I think you let them get one more than another day. So, check for yourself, what's happening to say, woman.
My youth, should I use condom, my youth?
Should I use more tree?
So what's happened?
I don't know, what can I probably ask you about 2, 3 days, I'm not know, you know.
Cut that down, man. That shit ain't really a beat.
You're
You know?
right, huh?
So poison everything, folks.
Kind of.
No, 8 grand a day.
You know, if John over all day, no one, I'm going to keep this while it's not.
How much of it?
I want to be a kingfish.
Everybody names so higher.
No, man, but you don't know, you know what food I'm going to the background.
Not even $50.
Oh, yeah. Check me more tomorrow, man. You know, everything else.
Take your word.
Take your word.
Take your word. Pick them up.
Yes, sir.
Mommy, I itch with the funds, man.
But I said she's scared.
So, all boot and thing I have to go bust. I'm not, you have no, you find a way to get the money. You see?
I don't want to go to you.
But what? Your closet full of female, man.
I want something new.
New. You see, you have an all navy. I want something new to one boot. You say, you can't help me, you don't save no money on the bottom.
Well, hear the big news.
Which news?
Your mommy and Sharon attack.
Oh.
Sharon pregnant.
What? Pregnant? You mean by pregnant? A joke you make? No. Tell me say a joke here. You always say a name joke there.
I wish.
A joke you make. You.
Well, anyway.
Oh, any boy, you may fire my gun for that, you know.
You know, see a friend, you know.
Who that?
Trevor.
Trevor? Trevor? What mean what?
You're
Me talk some.
high school.
Can't believe this. So what am I plan to do?
See, I'm glad the day of me, you know, because I really don't know how me I go tell David I'm pregnant. After him I drive for so long, and when this is long, me mean long. I didn't even do nothing. Boy, this is gonna hurt him feelings bad. Me say no. Why come to that control?
I know, Sharon. I can't believe say that real man, you know, come to me. I mean, first man should come to you.
You don't know how so stay, man.
No, but me I say you should come to me first, man. You shouldn't make me have a year from somebody else.
You never give me no chance.
A long time, you know, say a long time, want me. You have to come right, blessing for me to the lady. You know, still want me good talk, man. You know, a long time. We can start family right now. I ring me, I go buy put up on your finger.
David, give me a chance now.
Don't know. Alright.
You don't want hurt your feelings, and we don't want
don't know nothing can hurt my
cold.
feelings I know, baby.
I really don't want sound cold.
Yeah. Don't
But David,
what? Now tell me say sitting around now.
the baby I don't feel.
What?
And then you do it.
What do you mean, Anna?
It's Trevor getting me pregnant, David.
Trevor!
Yes, it's Trevor.
You mean Trevor from down the road?
Him same one.
Then that no dead man.
Why you mean dead? Don't do anything
No man,
stupid.
Trevor dead man.
David,
Trevor.
what are you talking about? Don't do anything
No man,
stupid.
Trevor. If I say Trevor, I'm in the life.
Trevor.
No man, Trevor
I'm
dead.
sorry, don't
Say
do
Trevor
anything
dead man.
foolish.
Yeah, that's not sense me, yeah. I really in my backyard.
Yo, Trevor, I don't time to see any dog.
Stop it.
The school I want to
I tell the boy, somebody means that you are all deep. You know,
They don't know say I them
think
things.
you are found they can't not to go and keep this boy.
Or have to get bum off and say you know say I just one of them things there dog.
This is how it comes down.
Yeah, but differently still. As me rolling I place me here I think.
Oh, that sound like so.
They don't know say a little bee down the road and say she pregnant.
Sharon.
Yes, man. You know what? You know what?
Yeah,
That man, them.
fire. Yeah, man.
Yeah. That's a pregnant still. I don't know me that one why daddy to me that dog.
Right now, Zano, feel like I'm in.
But real dog.
See at first.
Yeah.
Take it.
Yeah.
And you take it back, because we need a box side of her face.
And then I tell you man.
You get this man.
Yeah man.
I think I put you on the thing, man.
Real.
Still. Lick it down, go 4 times a year, the Blue Mountain lads and lick them good too.
Since recently, because as you get pregnant, so much since recently.
2 weeks and a half
And kick out them teeth. You don't know dog, I tell you. So, yeah. So you take care, right? I hear you.
Just do it, start, man. Talk to
So she tell us, yeah.
Work on the seat serious.
So she tell us, I hear you.
You see a man on the seat dog.
I hear
The
you.
face of me one on it.
That's cool now.
The face of me one on it.
I hear you.
Rate me.
I hear you.
Yes, sir.
I feel you. That's cool. We never know it. Yeah, that know that. We have a face still in that. Yeah, easy. Yeah, yes. But we have to say that. But guess what? She didn't even know that. You don't know it's a girl and a woman, dog.
What?
A girl and a woman, you know.
What do you mean, woman?
You mean me woman?
You can't make my woman.
Dog, give me a second.
Me don't know what you're saying,
Give me a second. Give me a second.
Me say you can't say
Me boss me. Yo, give me a second. Yo, dog. Boss. They say I'm my woman. Yo, woman, yo. Alright, me boss woman.
Sure.
It's who that?
I don't know, man. Trevor, man. I'm killing them fast.
Trevor, are you that? Come in now.
I don't know. Baby, I don't say. I don't know, she will show my face. Sorry, what away over there, and I never necessarily said, we don't know the pressure. Kingfish and them things, if I don't want to hear certain news. That's what why maybe that's what they can forget. They can forgive me still.
Why, Trevor, you change, man? You come in and give me a whole hug.
I check face for a long time, baby. Where's that out? You got the flex in the
Then, Trevor, why you not deny the baby? Why you stay so?
I'm not telling you the kingfish pressure, man, and my money now, I really want to hear certain things more time, but I'm my youth, man. New one.
But think you're not bang bang and running now. But I guess I was wrong.
I don't really mean to see them here about 50 money, but everybody get nice and all that. I will not now go on, you know. And that's one.
Trevor, so when you have said to me, a family time, me, the baby and you,
Yeah. That will come from what now, surprise from mine.
what you talking about? Why is it by your mind?
I look a punk the name David to come over and play. I tell you, say, in my baby, in my man.
Hey, giving a man money and I don't want you to do nothing to him, you know.
So
Because when you do your things and get me pregnant, you're not this one it. And David wants it, so you tell me what you want.
So, what maybe now?
Me know you want it, you know. But since you say you want it and I feel one David, I have to go one side. But don't do nothing to him, you know.
You might get me! If you slap them face 2 times,
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself.
The boy, they're punk.
David not going to do anything.
You know the crew? The boy, they're punk.
Don't do David anything. Because if you do
Me
David
not
anything,
me not rush him up. Me not rush him up. But make him come. I'm there for him, see me, you know. Understand? Even myself, look at mommy, I come check you on. Be a kid, look at nice things and sit and see him in the car. You know you like her, you know you like the
oh, be pregnant! KC is over!
The popcorn chicken, look on.
A protein time, you want. What's your face too?
Milk everything, baby.
Hurry up and come back.
Alright.
Alright.
I was going to say more clear. I love it inside out. What you have?
Stress vibes every time when I feel haunted, me just come and say, "Oh, that's fuck." Why you? I know I'm gonna get the funds now, hombre.
Where's the whatever. You know, I'm not finding somebody else place now come from my chicken sister. But no vibes already. You know already. You know already what. She say I mean. You see what you would have mean. I'm gonna do a thing and I'm gonna talk and you don't know what you have to do.
See me assist you.
Yeah, you can think.
What you when me say no? You know the funds. Remember you did tell me last time, you know? You remember?
No.
Last week, you know?
No, I'm sorry, too. Remember that's all I want to see now. I'm busy. I'm sorry.
Say, you tell me say you don't have the funds?
Have it, man.
You have the funds?
Why you go by your yard?
You have the funds?
Why you go by your yard? Because I'm not stress no kingfish from thing and thing boy the rest.
Say no, no one. I flex
No,
up.
kind of sharp, but yeah. I'll come up with the yard.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Nasty man. You say, are they a stone of fire?
Oh, you know, we really want to roll out in the car.
Look at the Empress, man.
Boy, them David that style, man. I didn't want to see them boy, you know.
David,
Boy, say, man, they would just
they give me money and everything, you know, but you know, we can't do nothing else.
I don't plan that, but them boy, they are this.
You are my virgin. I am my virgin. You see me, I say,
I don't mean.
I don't want to hear say nothing about me. You see me,
I
I
don't
say,
mean, if it's need to stop and then blow people, look at the boy, they're style.
alright, keep it as that.
You violate, but you know, say violate and must keep us on the reach. May have come from in our school. And boy, know them boy that come
Yo,
from.
not big team though.
You violate.
Not big team.
No. You violate.
Not big team, no my
You
own.
violate. But no, this is not him or this.
Take them out.
I want to go and know these are the finish the year. Think this boy will come. Make something manager right now. Give money and everything. To me, nobody now the car on the road and say, believe what they are doing, I can't come and style with them.
Hey, boy, Trevor! Yeah, get up! Me say, we get up. You know, say, this man, though.
What can I do, sir?
Me say, this man, you don't know what to do. Man, for just fully up a cup and leg right now. Me say, man, for just fully up a cup and leg right now, you know. Yo, stop, boy. Yo, boy. Yo, boy. Yo.
Hi, welcome. I'm Randy Pattinger with the No Budget Film Crew. We just shot a film, No Budget, real time. What do you guys think about the film?
What's big?
Film was good? Now, In the Shadows, the film is placed in Jamaica, pregnancy, violence. How did you guys write this film?
Well,
Where did the idea come from?
the film wasn't exactly written. It was an improv thing. We were on the spot and we just came up with the concept of the whole pregnancy thing, secrecy, violence. We just did it on the spot and it turned out wonderful.
Okay. Are you guys planning on doing more films like this?
Yeah, most definitely.
Most definitely.
So how was it? What did it feel like doing the first film with a no budget?
Well, it was okay. First time filming and it was comfortable.
What do you need improvements? If you're asking for funding, what do you need? More cameras, light? What do you need to expand your film production company?
You need more equipment,
Yeah.
such as voicing equipment, how to balance voicing, the whole lighting thing, how to block it off, how to add more light.
How to feel comfortable around the camera.
Yes.
So you need more training.
Yeah.
More training.
In that field, because we're natural actors and actresses.
Yes, of course, of
But
course.
in the equipment parts, we need help. That's
There is
all.
a short, there is a
Yes.
short on that.
Hollywood is calling for us.
Oh
aren't
my,
they?
yeah, right.
Now, what part of the film did you guys like the most?
Conflict.
I would say the part where, where Sharon really tries to explain what has happened to her mom. That was,
Yeah, that was intriguing.
yeah, they could really see some emotion there. And the thing is, a lot of people can relate to that instance too.
So this film did spark some kind of controversy or some kind of realism in Jamaica. This is the kind of things that happen often.
Every day.
That's one of the things what makes it so easy for us to look at. You know?
Right,
It's an everyday
True,
thing.
true.
Family
It's a life
members-
that we live.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Family members do experience these things on a daily basis.
Yes.
Yeah, it was natural, comfortable.
So the crew is called a no budget filmmaking crew, but you're looking for a budget at some point, right?
Yeah.
Most definitely. for a bigger production, that is.
How do you plan to market your film? You have a short film here that has some spice to it that will introduce yourself to the world. You plan on putting on DVD and traveling the roads of Mandeville and selling this film?
Definitely. Not only Mandeville, but most parishes.
Yeah.
And I think the idea that the film is really trying to get across, it's in need out there. So
Yeah.
I think it will be progressive.
All right. Anything from anybody else?
Well, this was a few proposals to sponsors, you know?
Good. This is the first attempt to get sponsorship for your next film.
Right.
And you need more lighting equipment. You need more training in film. Buy some film books.
Yes,
Right?
I would
And
say.
some scripting, how to write scripts. And then you're off to the races.
Yeah,
So you're going to put this film on DVD, market it as much as you can, send some sponsors, and get moving with the whole crew, right?
Right, yes.
So in about 5 years, we expect to have what, about 30 films or 20 or what?
Maybe
A year.
Yeah.
A year.
Right.
In a year.
Yeah,
we're that good.
it's not fun, so.
All right. So every day or what? Every week you guys meet on weekends to do film. How does it work? On Saturdays you meet to do films.
Well, first we discuss what we really want to do, you know?
During a weekly basis.
Right.
Some people go to school, some people go to work.
All right. Mommy, you don't seem too happy about the film.
I'm just thinking.
What do you
Thinking about the future. I'm just a little bit shocked. I don't want to ever have that in reality in my children. So
Okay.
I'm just thinking.
So these filmmaking projects are prevention projects.
Yes.
Yes.
it's a prevention.
Yes. Not only that, to it, it's a source of.
So this is good for Jamaica on a whole, right?
Yes.
All right. Well, I admire your efforts here, and we're gonna get the film out. So that's it.
Yes.
That's it.
This is the beginning. All right.
Okay.